Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today's video is a weekend vlog, and of course in my weekend vlog it doesn't start without getting off work, so amen to that. But anyways, I'm headed to Kroger to go pick up my grocery order, so you guys will see that. And then I don't really have too many plans today for the weekend, but I still haven't ate lunch. So I went to Chopped earlier and I got me a salad like I did last Friday, because that's just our Friday thing. And that's what I'm just gonna have for dinner. And yeah, got some laundry to do, so you guys can do laundry with me this weekend. And I also have schoolwork to do, as well as putting some clothes away. Alright, so we're here at Kroger picking up our order. Alright y'all, so the trunk is full, and so is the front seat and the back seat. Oh my god.
That's something, baby, that I can go without, just like a poison in me. You're all that I'm about, loving the highs, don't mind the lows. It's getting out of my control. I want that something, baby, 'cause I can go without. Mama used to tell me love ain't right if it ain't easy, but I'm in too deep to walk away from you. Papa used to tell me love should never drive you crazy, but I lose my mind if you don't get his suit. I'm addicted to your love, to your love, your love. I'm never gonna get enough. I'm a sucker for your love, for your love, your love. I'm never gonna get enough. You can end it, say it's over, but I'm never going sober. I'm addicted to your love, to your love, your love.
Alright y'all, so it's Saturday. I've been out to Starbucks real quick to try to get me an adult beverage for the morning. Also ran off to Food Lion really quickly to grab a couple of things. So quick update, there's some things I need to do today. I'm gonna make some strawberry lemon ice cubes, and then I'm also going to make a green juice, and then I'm also going to be having a student over from school, because she is Skylar's classmate. So she's gonna have a little friend over. They're gonna make pizzas. She's supposed to be here around 11:45, so it's 11:16 now. I'm just gonna get right into what I need to get into to get stuff ready for whatever they want to do when she gets here.
Never gonna get enough. I
Alright, so next I have this ice tray right here that I got from Amazon. Or I might have gotten it from... y'all, I don't even know. Anyways, I'm gonna cut up some lemons, maybe like 2, and some strawberries. Put it in here with some water, and these are just gonna make some ice cubes. And then hopefully tomorrow or later this afternoon, I'll show you guys the outcome of these.
All that place, that your milk will turn green?
Okay, so Sky's classmate is gone, and we're probably gonna get ready to head out and go grab a salad. Yeah, we'll go do that while Dad's gone to the movies, and I have some laundry to do when I get back, and who knows. Yeah, who knows? Just let's go. So I came to McDonald's to get Sky some food. What was it? A bacon ranch McCrispy. I don't know if I want to try that or not. I don't know. I don't really like everybody's ranch. I don't know, but I just got this salad, so I don't think I'm gonna be getting nothing from McDonald's other than just a fry and go back home. Girl, I can't wait to have it when I get home. I bought it. So I got it in a meal because I did want the fries and I needed something to drink, but my salad would just be for my dinner. All right, so if you're anything like me, you literally either have rolled oats or you'll have just some regular old-fashioned oats. So because I like to do a lot of baking, I have both. What you want to do is take like a cup of this and put it into a blender. All right, so I'm gonna do the rolled oats, like I said, about a cup full. That way I can go ahead and just have some ready for next time. Okay, so it's all in the blender. Some of the benefits of doing the oatmeal bath is for things such as like cradle cap, irritated skin, and rashes and things like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on, and you want to make sure that it's grinded up all the way. If it's not grinded up all the way and doesn't dissolve in water, that means you need to put it back in the blender and grind it up more. All right, so here it is. Here is the oatmeal powder. So what you want to do to make sure that this is going to work is just like take a spoonful and put it in some water first just to test it. But it is all grinded up, and this is the consistency that you want for an oatmeal bath. You know, the sandwich isn't bad. Good morning, y'all. Just got done walking the dogs before all the so-called weather starts. And of course I lost out on an hour of sleep because we had to go forward an hour. I gotta put my juicing stuff away, dishes away, fix her some eggs. Long story short, I didn't do too much on Sunday. It's now Monday and I had to get myself ready for work. So I'm gonna go over here and get me a morning protein drink. So I have my Premier Protein, as I mentioned in my adult beverage video the other day. And I'm gonna be making a cake batter one this time. So as mentioned, I have my Premier Protein. This is the Cake Batter Delight. I am going to be ordering the venti cup of ice with 2 shots of espresso, and then I'm putting this in, and that is it for my breakfast.
Sounds good. I'll have the total for you to it now.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and pour it in, stir it up. If you guys have enjoyed my weekend vlog this far, please go ahead and like and consider subscribing to my channel. I would appreciate having you over here, and I do love supporting people back. So comment down below as well if you are a content creator, and I will support. I hope that you all enjoy your week.